Hello everyone, welcome to Infomercial. In this video, we are going to talk about a problem which we always get in our laptop or in our PCs. Sometimes Wi-Fi option is disabled, right? To enable that, I'm going to tell you two simple steps. Number one, sometimes your keyboard has one key which is related to Wi-Fi on and off. First try with that key, and if your Wi-Fi is not unlocked with that key as well, follow the second step, and which is about the command. For this step, all you need to do is go to the start menu, search for run R-U-N, and when you click on run application, then there will be a window pop up over here. Type command devmgmt.msc. After typing this command, click OK. Yes, and there will be another window which is related to device manager. Over here you can see your computer drivers. You can see wireless driver is not updated, it needs update. Right click, update driver, yes, and then browse my computer for drivers, this one option, the second option, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then out of these three you can select any one of them, and then you need to click on next. It will take a little bit load, and then your internet troubleshoot will be solved. And just close the window, and now let's see, it is updated. Yes, it is updated. And now let's see, the Wi-Fi options were not showing previously, but now I can see, yes, now I can see that the Wi-Fi options are enabled, and I can see many of the options. So it has been enabled. Now let's see whether our internet is in access or not. Let's go to the Google Chrome, and there I need to search my browser. Let's search anything. Okay, just go to the YouTube and let's check it out whether the internet is now working or not. Internet is connected. Yes, my Wi-Fi is connected. Let's go over here. Yes, internet is now working perfectly fine, and I can say it is done. So if you liked this video and if it helped you, please leave a comment and hit the like button, and also subscribe to